is Julia. So I had a malfunction this morning by taking this. This is my second video. So unfortunately before this I had straight hair to wave. And now this is the final result of basically my hair tutorial video. So what I'm going to show you guys is I'm not actually going to do it. I will show you parts of how to do it. Not the full thing, just because it's already done and I also don't want to burn my hair. So clip by clip, I'll show you step by step what to use, what to do, and how to do it. So I also got inspired by Tally, who's a makeup artist on Instagram. She's very famous and she has this beautiful, long, thick, natural, because I have extensions, black hair, and I always see these waves and I always ask her, like, what do you do? Like, how do you do it? And basically there's two ways of doing it. You can do one braid, which I personally tried it on my hair. I've done 2 braids and then connected 1 braid in the back. Personally for me it didn't work. I decided that 2 braids and then connect 1 braid worked better for me. But whatever works for you works. One thing I do find works the best is this crimper. This crimper will make your hair last the longest. So basically how I started is I usually section my hair in 3 parts. Right now, because it's already done, I will show you one half a part. So basically what I do is I take one small section around this thick. I will take the curler and start it off midway through my hair. I don't want to go too high because I do think it doesn't look as nice. And work my way down, crimping it all the way down, like this. By doing this, you'll be able to catch all of your hair, and also make sure to split your hair in 3, just because you want to make sure to go through every little section of your hair. I also don't want to redo it because I don't want to burn my hair, and my hair's already fried. And with extensions, that is a no-no. So, you take this, you continue. When you get to the top part, which is, I find the most difficult part if you have layers, like moi, is you make sure to take the first piece like this and start halfway below. Like, you don't want to go too high, just because I don't find it makes for a nice look. It doesn't make it look natural at all. And since we're going for that natural wave, Kim K inspired wave, this is how you want to do it. So for me, for it to stay properly, and also because I do have layers, I do it this way. I start midway, so I leave about this much space and go down. And I do that all over my head till I'm fully done. Once I'm fully done, I'm just going to show you guys one part just because the rest is already done. I run my fingers through it with usually an oil or whatever. If you decide to put hairspray, that's fine. It's going to last you a couple of days, so it'll drop, which will look nicer. But this is the final look. I honestly love it. There's some people that don't really crave this look just because it is intense. But for people that have nice square-shaped faces, round faces, I find long hair, this suits anybody. So I am upset that I lost my first footage, but I did make sure to make another one, although this is the final product. Always make sure that when you start, section it in 3, like I said. Take little pieces side by side, start from midway through down so that it looks like this. And that's it. That's basically it. It's a very easy hairstyle to do. You can wear it for anything. Usually you would wear something like this every day. And I just want to thank Tally for giving me the idea. So if anybody doesn't know who that is, she's an MUA, but I'm pretty sure everybody knows her. She's on Instagram. And that's it. I just want to thank you, and thanks for watching.